finna give y'all a dose of this freestyle shit. I know a lot of these niggas say they be freestyling, but freestyle is off the mind, man. It ain't that shit that you write. You feel me? I'm finna show you this shit that you write, but I don't, and I won't, nigga. Boss, run that shit, nigga. Here. I don't wanna cut that shit. Fuck it. I'ma get this one too, man. This shit ain't pre-recorded. You know what I'm saying? I'm hot than a motherfucker, man. Straight up out the furnace, nigga. Yeah, I'm kicking in your dough. Boss be the nigga that be dicking in your hoe. Slipping in a foe with this drink, nigga. So when I sip this drink, you best get planked, nigga, or get your ass flanked like the side of your arm. See that folks still coming from the side of my arm. Yeah, my whole side will do harm. Yeah, my riders do harm. I'm a motherfucking snake, King Cobra. I charm a nigga, bitch. Up in the room, nigga. Then form some up off in the womb, nigga. Boss is a goon, yeah, the boss in the room, nigga. Boss up in the building. These bitches gon' swoon, nigga. You niggas mushrooms. Get done quick, cause I'm hot, nigga. Like the sun's dick. Fuck a bitch fast, and then I dip fast. I split fast. I skip fast. Cause this is just what I do. Freestyle my songs, cause this is what I love. Don't need no pen or no pad or no microphone. I just camera myself and throw the shit on YouTube it, nigga, cause I can do that. Who that? Blue, black, like my blue hat. On my black hat, you niggas better back. I pap the niggas that yap. Stole that from Wayne, I ain't gotta steal it, nigga. I can kill it one deep, one time, one take, gun quake. I break a nigga ass like the fucking sun bake. Niggas ass real fast, no telling what money take. The risk I take, these suckers too scared. Might come through chameleon, blue, red, purple in one slab. Looking, just coming through, dipping in the slab. Boss. I ain't gotta fall off, I just keep going. Long as the beat keeps spinning, I just keep flowing. He knowing, they knowing, even she knowing. I come through deeper than the sea flowing. Keep digging deeper. I ride with the reaper, not to mention the street sweeper. Chiefin' on nothing but the finest reaper. Hydro, that's all I blow, and I know when my mode, get in my mode like 5 O's, rushing at your ass, get the busting at your ass, move around. Better get the duck and hit the grass, or a nigga will touch and hit your ass like fuck him. Never gave a damn about him. I let Bam get him. Last thing I heard about him, yeah, my nigga Bam shot him. My nigga Bam slammed him. Then I blam him. No sir, but no ma'am. Fuck him. Bounce in the building like never before. And I be going places that these something never could go. I got G pass, nigga. Street pass, nigga. Catch me in the hood with them street ass niggas. Yeah, I get money, fucking cheap ass nigga. I cheap bad killer. Riding fast cars, bad bras with fat asses. Fat stashes, or cash stashes. Yeah, I like fat matches. Dope boys stacks up in the bed, nigga. In the back of the leg, I'm getting head, nigga. With my hat to the back and getting bread, nigga. Stomach fat, sitting fat, I'm getting fed, nigga. Don't get bled, nigga. Toe to your head, nigga. Toe through your bed, nigga. Like a bullet do. When I pull at you, I'ma bust at you. And fuck the mother suckers too, and motherfuck you too.